In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email notifications for form submissions in Webflow. If you've ever missed a message because it stayed inside your dashboard, setting up email notifications ensures every new form submission lands right in your inbox. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and also share a few tips so your notifications are clear, reliable, and easy to manage. Start by opening your Webflow project. From your dashboard, choose the site where your form lives and open it so you're looking at the project interface. Make sure the project you open is the one that actually contains the form you want to monitor. This prevents confusion later if you manage multiple sites or test environments. Next, locate the Forms area in your project interface and right-click it. This opens a quick menu tied specifically to the Forms feature. Right-clicking here is a shortcut to the settings you need, so you don't have to dig through unrelated panels. If your workspace looks a little different, you may need to expand the left sidebar or hover to reveal panel labels until you spot Forms. From the menu that appears, click Email Notification. This brings up the notification settings for your site's forms. Think of this panel as the control center for who gets alerted and what that alert contains. The options here affect the messages sent to you or your team when someone submits a form. It's separate from any confirmation message shown to the visitor on your site, and it's also different from an autoresponder that emails the visitor back. Here, we're focusing on your internal notification. Now, write your email. In the recipient field, enter the address where you want to receive form alerts. Use an inbox you check regularly, and consider a shared team address if multiple people should stay in the loop. If the interface allows multiple recipients, you can add more than one, which is helpful for coverage during vacations or high-traffic campaigns. While you're here, take a moment to give the notification a clear subject line, like New Website Form Submission, so it stands out in your inbox. You can also include a brief message body that reminds teammates what the form is for. Small touches like these make triaging much easier, especially when you receive many emails each day. When you've finished, review the address for typos and make sure it's the correct destination. That's it. Your Webflow project is now set to email you whenever someone submits the form. Keep an eye on your inbox the first time to confirm delivery and, if needed, adjust filters so these alerts land exactly where you want them.